Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to stop supervision on Google Family Link. If you're looking to stop supervision in Google Family Link, it's important to know that this option is only available once the child reaches the eligible age to manage your own Google account. As confirmed by Google, supervision can also be turned off from the child's Android device, provided it's running around 7.0 or later, by navigating through settings to digital well-being and parental controls, or through Google services under Kids and Family. Then selecting parental controls and choosing stop supervision, a parent sign-in or access code is required to confirm authorization. If supervision is disabled from the child's device, the parent will be notified and the device may temporarily lock for security. Finally, supervision can also be managed from the web by visiting Google Family Link help page and following the stop supervision instructions shown there. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.